Let's go live. Teacher Andy goes in the messenger. He can do another one. So, Teacher Andy, thanks for coming in, man. Because this is not a game right now.
But now you can see what we were talking about, right? Okay. So, Toto, quickly just explain to me what you're understanding. Because I want to make sure that you know what's going on. Because I quite honestly.
Yeah, actually, when I saw in this live, and I really understand more about the big picture, about life and everything.
Hello, everybody. Thanks for coming in. You've made my day. Actually, I'm very, very happy to see you here.
Of course, Teacher Tim, I did suggest that, because I already have a program of teaching where I help non-native English teachers. I help them improve their pronunciation to make them more effective English teachers. I'm already doing this.
Today I'm here to enjoy the class of Miss Denise to share how to improve my English.
I'm going to support my friends. They are teacher too. They are English teacher. They are biology. I don't know. I don't care. Any kind of teacher, I'm going to support. I will share my link and I will explain how it works. And for this, this Webtalk and the idea of Webtalk just taught me how to love what I'm doing now and be supportive, not only for one individual, for the community.
I'm so much excited to get some kind of nice people with whom I can share my thoughts, my views, everything I can share. I think Webtalk right now is my family, okay?
Wow.
I just...
It's always going to take a little bit of time in the beginning to start, getting that. But if you can start showing people, hey, look, I told you could learn English from 60 countries and here's the evidence.
I think the idea that people have now of trying to use Webtalk as a place that people can learn English, and in return for learning English, they engage with your post. It is a good idea.
Yeah, that's right. But I was thinking of you with the book because you have a little child. It would be such a good one to read at bedtime when your child's a bit older.
Exactly. Now my child is 6 months old, and my wife buy some book from.
It's always going to take a little bit of time in the beginning to start, getting that. But if you can start showing people, hey, look, I told you could learn English from 60 countries and here's the evidence.
So just get away from negative people and you'll be happy.
Jenny.
And why he is here in Webtalk and use that as leverage. That's what I use. I say I see the value of the teachers and what you guys are using this platform for, and that's what I tell them. 65 countries are here because of teachers. Teachers. These are not marketers. Teachers.
There's Teacher Erdy. All right, we're gonna unmute now. Teacher Erdy, what's your question?
So sorry. In this early morning here, I can't talk aloud.
Okay, I'll talk low too.
But you kind of inspired this idea, like, wow, I love what you're doing. You're taking these Webtalk teachers and Webtalk entrepreneurs and asking them questions, and why not do a segment for kids and have it exclusive.
Wonderful.
So, and I love how you inspired that idea, Erdy. Thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 7 years.
7 years old. Okay. And what is your name? Tell everybody what your name is.
Rose.
Rose. Where are you from, Rose?
Vietnamese.
Ah.
Oh, sorry. I'm very thirsty.
Okay, get your drink of water. Make yourself comfortable. No problem.
And what motivates you to learn Spanish and the Greek? Why?
only know a few things about them. I said, hey, amo means I love you, I love you.
Oh, maybe I can say English, please. Okay. And what is your Vietnamese name? My Vietnamese name is Uyên. Oh, that's a beautiful name, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
Hello, I have no idea how to pronounce your name. What is your name?
My name is Zeynep. Zeynep, but you may call me Zen for short. I'm from Russia, in Nizhny Novgorod. Nice to see you.
Okay, hello everybody.
Hello.
My name is Slav. Maybe it seems to be hard to pronounce for everyone because this is a Slavic name, yeah. And if it's comfortable for you, you may call me just Nathan.
You know, you are rich inside of you. And if you are rich inside of you, you'll be rich also outside, you know. And I just want to congratulate you for your YouTube channel because it's amazing.
Well, I only joined to support a friend of mine who asked me to join. But once I got in here, I am here most of the time. I hardly ever go to Facebook or Twitter. I check in on my friends over there, and that's about it. I spend all my time here. I like talking or listening to all the different people from all over the world. I just enjoy learning.
Well, I live near my friends, a lot of my friends, so we can just walk to each other's apartments and hang out.
Anybody can get on Webtalk, 18 and older. Anybody can get on Webtalk and start posting things that they're interested in, things that they like. And people will start talking to them, and people will start watching their videos and doing things like that, just like you do in any other social media. But in this social media, everyone can get paid. There's two ways to do it. There's a free way, and then you can pay for an upgrade. But it doesn't matter. You don't have to pay money to make money in Webtalk.
We can have all students listening to all different types of things all day long. That's this level. We're taking humanity to the highest level, interacting based on what they love. It's that simple. And when we interact, and when we listen, and we share, we grow. It's that simple. And that's what we're doing. That's what we're creating right now in this 24 hours.